Hi and welcome to Chef's Gear. Lately we've been getting a lot of questions on how to clean a slushy machine, so that's exactly what I'm going to show you today, so stay tuned. There are two ways to clean a slushy machine. The first one is a quick one and you can do it on a day-to-day basis, and the second one is a deep clean that you would do every few days. So first, let's start with a quick way. First thing you need to do is to drain the remaining slushy. Make sure you do it to the last drop. If necessary, just tilt the device a little bit. For the next step, just take the top hood off, just disconnect it, take it off, and fill the chamber with some water. Make sure the water is not too hot, as it may damage the chilling unit. It's best when it's at room temperature or slightly warmer. And you can fill it up to the top if necessary. Add a dash of detergent to it. Dishwashing liquid is just fine. Turn the machine on and let it run for a couple of minutes. Of course, without the chilling function. Okay, after a few minutes, when you see all the sugar is dissolved and the water is slightly colored, turn off the device and basically drain all the water into a container. Drain the soapy water, fill it up again and let it run for another minute or so in order to rinse out any remaining detergent. Repeat as many times as necessary until you end up with clear water without any froth. So after you've rinsed the chamber, make sure you dry it really well. You can use some paper towel and make sure you do not put your cover back on top, because that will cause steaming and, well, growth of bacteria. But since we did the quick clean, let me show you how to do the deep clean. Remove the chamber by lifting it slightly up and pulling it off the chilling unit. Next, disassemble the tap assembly. Make sure you hold the plunger at the bottom, as it is spring-loaded and may jump out. Carefully pull out the plunger, then take the cover off and push out the spring. Then you can pull off the auger, back seal and the spacer. So once you've disassembled the device, you have access to all the moving parts. It is really easy to clean them inside and out. Of course, you can sanitize them. In order to reassemble the device, you just follow the same step, just the other way around. So you just put everything back where it belongs. It's really easy. It took me a minute. But before you do reassemble, just remember you need to lubricate all the parts. There's a special grease for it, like food grade grease. That actually extends the life of all the rubber elements, because you're working with low temperatures, with sugary drinks, often with alcohol. So it can happen that these seals will corrode over time. Of course, you have some spare bits, but you just want to extend the life of them as much as you can. So just smear them with some grease, put them back on. It will make it much easier to put the chamber back on. It will just slide in. Of course, it will provide an extra seal as well. What else you need to lubricate is just the auger and of course the tap assembly. And don't be stingy with it. There's quite a lot of grease already done by the producer. The more the better. It doesn't affect the produce. It's absolutely flavor neutral. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Alright, so if you like the video, hit the like button, hit subscribe if you want to see more of our productions, hit the bell button in order to get the notifications. If you have any questions in regards to this equipment or any other, let me know in the comment section. I thank you guys very much for watching and I see you next time.